Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Yaris dim light. First, gather your essential tools such as a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and cooled down before starting any work. Safety is paramount, so double-check that the engine is not running and the lights are off. Consulting your owner's manual can also confirm the exact bulb type needed. Now, open your car's hood and find the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic covers or clips that are blocking your access to the bulb. Carefully unclip or twist these components out of the way. Once clear, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb by pressing its release tab and pulling. With the connector off, carefully twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the socket. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base and avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can cause hot spots and shorten the bulb's life. Insert the new bulb, making sure it seats correctly and securely in the housing. Once the new bulb is in place, reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Before putting everything back together, turn on your vehicle and test the dim light to ensure it's working properly. If it illuminates, you can then replace any covers or clips you removed earlier, securing them tightly. You've successfully changed your Toyota Yaris dim light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.